Hey there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK. Today we're diving into a repair service for the onboard Sat Nav display for the 2020 to 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross Design or Hybrid. Whether it's general wear and tear or accidental damage, these units suffer from a few common faults, such as cracked or damaged displays. The displays come on but is all black or white. Half of the display has disappeared. The display is heavily marked or scratched. The touchscreen is erratic or has completely failed. Currently on screen we are testing a unit and, as you can see, the touchscreen is totally unresponsive. We've been at this since 1986. Offering repair services using A-grade and OEM parts only, backing all our repairs with lifetime warranties. Now, after repair, let's go ahead and test this unit. As you can see, the unit is working perfectly, fast and responsive, and with exact same anti-glare technology that all OEM parts come with. A very important factor for driver displays. There are a few ways to have your unit repaired. Either mail order, which normally takes 1 to 5 working days. You can give us a call and book yourself in our while you wait service, which normally takes between 1 to 3 hours. Or we can link you to one of our partner repair companies found across the country. Cluster Repairs UK is known for its award-winning customer service, so please feel free to drop us an email and give us a call if you need any further help. Failing that, below in the video description, you will find detailed information on the repair service. If you found this video helpful, please drop us a like, add a comment, or for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for viewing, and we hope to see you again. Happy repairing.